Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 BUELL ULYSSES. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 32,627 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need front turn signals with sufficient visibility, and new front and rear tires. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 1/32. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs and shifts well, but the tires are bald and choppy, the exhaust pops on deceleration, and there is a front brake pulsation. Additionally, our technician has noted that both cylinder rocker boxes are seeping. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the passenger foot peg, scratches on the foot controls, scratches on the right handguard and mirror case, and scratches on both saddlebags. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys. It comes equipped with heated grips and has been upgraded with frame sliders, LED headlights and LED fog lamps, and LED handguard mounted front turn signal strips. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.